Hey folks, I'm Kenny Jang, and today I wanted to talk about emails. It's still the killer app in my book. Yes, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram all work and all are great, but emails still consistently deliver results. And there's one key part of it that you need to pay attention to, and that is the subject line. It's the most important sentence that you'll write in any email that you send out to your list. One of the things that people ask me is, how do you write such effective emails to get open rates so high in the double-digit ranges? And so I decided to sit down and share 5 different ways, different approaches to the subject line that will help you in a very practical way, especially if you're going to sit down and write an email to your list today. So sign up, grab the resource, and hope you enjoy and benefit from this downloadable PDF report on 5 different subject line, headline formulas for your next email. I'm Kenny Jang. Have a great day.